So why you should never use single line text properties in HubSpot. So first of all, what is a single line text property? So that's this kind of property. It's a property type that allow you to store a short zone of text. As you can see, HubSpot natively creates some of them, so such as annual revenue, city, company name, email, country region, domain name, etc., etc. But even if some of them are natively used by HubSpot, you should not use them. Here is why. For this example, we will choose country region. So you might be tempted when you create your HubSpot portal to use this property for getting the country of a lead, as it's proposed by HubSpot, so it should be great, right? The thing is, if you use it in a form and you run a campaign to get the country of your leads, what will you see after 2 weeks is something a bit like that. So you have like X person that fill your form and they enter their country. So in this example, we will just take like UK example, just to give you a clear idea of what will happen. It's like one lead with fill UK or U.K. United Kingdom, GB, Great Britain, G.B. Great Britain, United Kingdom with some typos, etc., etc. Why it happens is because by choosing single line text properties, you basically offer the choice for a lead to fill whatever he wants inside. So even if it seems clear for you what should be inside, it might not be exactly what the lead think about. So that's why you will end up with this kind of data. So we have no data consistency by using single line text. And we will have a really ugly database. If it was only aesthetic, it would not be that bad, right? But the thing is, by having this non-consistency in your database will impact your efficiency a lot. Basically, if you have information of a lead, the goal is to use it, right? So now continue this example by assuming you've been asked to send a welcome email to all these UK leads. How would you do if you have this kind of database? The only way you have is to export all your form submission, look at the country region field and try to find what could be close to UK or UK related. So you will have this list and then copy paste them one by one manually to a list filter criteria. So I did that for you. It will look like that. The thing is, what will happen if you forget one value, or after creating this list, another lead arrive and fill another weird value on it? You will not be able to identify them in an effective way, right? And imagine doing that for every different countries, or every time you need to segment and target specific UK leads, you need to do that all over again and again and again. So you will lose a lot of time, you will not be 100% accurate, and you will impact all your company results. Would be great if we have another way to do that, right? And that's why we will see right now. So HubSpot propose some properties, but propose as well to create new properties with different property types. So let's do that together. Let's say we want to have efficient country property. So let's call it country 2. And the group is contact information because it's information about the lead, right? And then we will have to select a field type. As we just say, single line text and multi-line text, which basically is the same, we should not use them. You should always ask yourself 3 questions when it comes to create a new property. What kind of information do I want? How will I use it? And what's the best way to display it? So in this case, we would like to have a country property, which is like a drop-down menu where people can choose from an existing list their country. So the best way for it is drop-down select. You choose this one, and bad news, they ask you to enter manually all your values, so all the country of the world, which is like a lot. Most of the case, you will need to do that, but in load options in HubSpot, they have like some quick shortcut for like this kind of property. So you just need to choose country here, load options, and that's it. You have all your properties. Be careful to just delete the first one. And you can create. And now, how would you do this with this new property? You just create a list. Let's say UK leads. Next, add filter, contact property, country 2. Country 2 is any of United Kingdom. That way, all leads that come from United Kingdom, they will know that it's the value they should enter because it's a fixed, defined value in your drop-down list, and they will automatically get into this list if they click on this country. I hope it was clear. If you're interested in learning more about like data automation, data management in HubSpot, I create a workflow box, which is a private website page that will resense all the workflows I present on this channel with a video, a detailed article, and a to-do list action plan to teach you how to automate and take the best out of your HubSpot portal. It's free, and you will have also the opportunity to ask me to present a specific workflow you would need for your company. I hope it was clear, and I wish you a great day. Bye.